I'm Dr. Amy Duchen. Welcome, and if you've purchased a pair of Sony over-the-counter hearing aids and want to find out how to get the most out of them, I'll leave a link to a great video below this one. In this video though, I'll share with you some of the best ways to communicate with your new hearing aids. Before we begin, you should know that fully adjusting to your hearing aids can take about 30 days, so do not give up and wear them as much as possible. Sony hearing aids come with a 45-day return policy to give your brain the best chance at getting reacquainted with the sounds you've been missing. Okay, as promised, on to the tips. These tips will hopefully make your life with mild to moderate hearing loss a little bit easier. First, the things that impact all humans when trying to hear happen to affect you more because you have hearing loss. So things like being unable to see the person or the person's mouth when talking to them, or trying to talk to someone too far away at a noisy table, make it difficult for almost anyone to hear. However, individuals with hearing loss, even those wearing hearing aids, may be impacted more than those without hearing loss. This is normal. And now that you know, here are some things you can do about it. When talking to someone, try looking directly at them and make sure you have enough light to see them clearly. If your favorite restaurant is always crowded, ask the staff when their slow hours are and try to come back then. Especially at the beginning of your life with hearing aids, you may feel background noises are too loud, and these tips can help make the experience more enjoyable. It's ideal if you can sit with your back to the noisy room. If possible, ask for a booth seat or a table next to a wall, or to be seated away from an open kitchen. This can help reduce the amount of extra noise. If the music is too loud, you can even politely ask the staff to turn it down to accommodate your hearing loss. Just remember, it's okay to advocate for yourself. Advocating can go a long way with your friends and family as well, because unless they also have hearing loss, they may not understand the challenges that you're facing. Let them know how to best communicate with you. Here are some tips to consider. Share with them that it helps if they get your attention first and look at you during a conversation. Often, people without hearing loss raise their voice to communicate with someone with hearing loss. You can tell them to speak in a normal tone and not to yell, because that distorts their voice, making it harder to understand. I've found that just sharing this video with my friends has made it easier for them to understand what the other people in my family with hearing loss are going through. So feel free to share it with anyone you think might benefit from it. If you've purchased a pair of over-the-counter hearing aids from Sony, we have a dedicated team of OTC hearing aids specialists ready to assist you via phone, text, or chat. So if you have more questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Please hit the like button if you learned something new, and as always, thanks for watching.